at the jet ski over there, right? I think I'm gonna buy a jet ski. People in Florida really like boats. You see that? We are in South Florida, US.
With that thing? Yeah, buy that.
That's go from 0 to 5, I think. 0 to 5.
That's the Garmin, no?
Yeah, I think, yeah. It's more for water adventure and stuff.
Yeah, good.
What's up? We're recording right now. Yeah. What's up? You can play some stuff like that. You see the big balls? There's 2 balls, so you can rent it and just roll it everywhere, go everywhere. You see here? The girl's gonna get some food or drink. I don't know. But listen, you can also rent that ball here. Look. I really like water activities. What are they selling? Food. Which type of pasta, French fries, salad, fish, chicken? Yeah. Has some of healthy food.
So I'm talking with my hands. I always talk with my hands, right? I'm talking with my hands, bro. When I went like this, and I threw my phone into the water. Fucking, I'm watching. I go to the ground. My fucking phone is floating in the water. I lost my phone. I had no phone for 2 days in Key West. I'm gonna open for you.
It's new. It's like 8 months. 8 months? Yeah. It's pretty new. Yeah. Really nice. I'm recording, alright? Huh? Yeah, I'm recording your car. Really nice car.
600 horsepower.
600? Yeah. Nice. I don't know mine.
Let's burn those guys here.
Oh, hey, see you next time, bro. Burning gas right now, so expensive. Like a 6 cylinders Mustang, burn a little bit gas,